Aiden's first day, May 4th, at, well, let's just say it started around 12:55. He started playing on his new play structure. This big thing I bought him right here. I had to first entice him with promises of other birdies playing birdie videos, and then, but now, yeah, now he's found that he likes it on here. Oh, and he's already christened it with a little poo-poo. No need to zoom on that for too long. Yeah. You like it, don't you? You like it, huh? Hope you don't stop landing on my finger. And my knee. It's really cute when you do that. Oh, look at that. Look at you discovering new things. Yeah, it's a whole new world for you, isn't it? I could break out in that Aladdin song, but I'd rather not. Should probably finally be productive today and start laundry. But I was productive. I read and I got my little Aiden to play with his new thing. Yeah, his new play gym. Yep, there he goes. Back to his cage for now. Like, this is my house. Why is it so dark? Aiden, you're supposed to be bright. Well, there it is. You gonna come fly back over here? Fly back over here? Fly back over? You can come back over? Wanna come back over to your new play place? I won't shoo you away, ever. I promise. It's your new place. I won't ever shoo you away. Alright, well, you think about it. You think about it. This is to replace that crazy pink ladder that's all broken up and whatever. Hopefully eventually you'll climb down to the bottom of this and then climb up this ladder to get to the top. And I will put food in here for the bird. Anyway. Focus. Okay. Well, Aiden, here's to happy new playing on the play gym. Cheers with no water in the glass. Bye bye birdie for now.